back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to set animated wallpapers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly we are going to settings, then we are going to personalization, then click on background. Now personalize your background, click on Windows Spotlight. From the background, with the help of Windows Spotlight, you can animate the picture. Next is use window themes with dynamic effects. For this, again going to personalization, click on themes, then scroll down, click on browse themes. Here you will see themes. Click on any of the theme, then click on get. Look for themes labeled 4K theme packs and extra. You can click, it will be installed. Now you can right click on the desktop, then click on next desktop background. Here you will see animated images. Next is use the lock screen animation. Again going to personalization, click on scroll down the page, click on lock screen. Here you will also select Windows Spotlight. While it does not make your desktop animated, it gives you a fully animated lock screen experience, all free and built in. If you want to like live wallpaper, you can install third-party apps. And that's it, how you can animated wallpapers. If you like this video, hit like the thumb and subscribe for more tech related videos. Thanks for watching.